Welcome to the lesson on percents. In this lesson, we will discuss what a percent is and how we can use them in our daily lives. By definition, a percent is a comparison of a number to 100. A percent represents a quantity or portion of another number. The best way for us to begin thinking about percents would be to apply the idea to stores and coupons. Imagine you have a coupon for 15% off of any one item, and that item happens to be $38. How would we figure out how much we will save? How much we will save and what will be our end-all price? So to solve it, we take 15%, turn it into a regular 15, and divide it by 100. That 15 divided by 100 is going to give us a decimal, 0.15. We take that 0.15 and then we'll multiply it by the original price of the item, 38, and we get 5.7 or $5.70. So we take how much we will save, subtract it from the 38, and we will get our final price, $32.30, 32.3. Before we look at further examples, let's talk about converting percents. 100% can be converted to 1.00 as a number. In the same way, 25% can then be converted to 0.25. 1.5% can be looked at as 0.015. To keep this pattern going, 34% can then be examined as 0.34. And on 250% is 2.50. In a lot of ways, you really can just move the decimal over to convert from a percentage to a regular number. It also remains important to be able to find percents between known quantities. We will do this by thinking about saving $10 off of an item that is already 78. We start by dividing 10 by the 78, and we give it a decimal amount, 0.1282. From here, we take this decimal amount and we multiply it by 100, which will essentially move the decimal place over to 12.82. This 12.82 is the percentage we saved. When we think about comparing percents, it's important to note that the same percentage of a smaller number, like 55, will be smaller than that same percentage of a bigger number, like 85. Because the 85 is larger, its percentage will be larger. Now let's imagine a scenario where we have two coupons for the same item. The item's $125. One coupon is $20 off, the other one's 20%. Which one will save us more money? Let's start by subtracting the $20 off coupon from the $125. This means we're going to pay a final price of $105. Now let's multiply the 20%. 125 times 0.20 will give us $25. When we subtract that from the original price, we'll pay $100. Since 100 is less than 105, the 20% coupon is better. In this way, it's very important to think about what percentages you have so you can save money. That's the ultimate connection here to two percentages and how we can apply it to our real world.